Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Back everybody, let's update our view on the Bitcoin market. So starting from the weekly chart, here's as we talked about this in the previous update, we need to keep an eye on the flirting with the MACD predictor. So as you can see currently, it shows that this week we could get the bullish grabber, which is become the great news for bulls, although tricky moments still exist with this grabber. First of all, if even it will be formed, it doesn't suggest yet that market should keep going right to the next major target, to the 36. The minimum target of the grabber is the previous tops. So that's why we can't exclude totally the scenario with the possible washing rinse of this previous top and then turning some different action or even downward collapse or something of that sort. Because now we're living in tricky times. As you can see just what's going on with the debt sale. So this first moment, second moment, it is still 2 sessions until the end of the week, and it could happen that we could maybe not get the grabber. We will see, but at this point, if market will close at the same level, we could get it. So in general view on the weekly chart, as we said, 2550 is actually vital point for the bulls, because drop below it, returning back, and the consolidation of the hand and shoulders will tell us that upward action might be over. So normally the bullish market should not return it back down and break the neckline in opposite direction if it still has the ability to keep going higher. So this will be definitely signs of weakness. So that's the thing that we need to keep an eye on. On a daily chart, actually nothing new. We're still going with our hand and shoulders pattern, and it's interesting that the ABCD target of this pattern precisely stands in agreement with the same 25 area. So this 24-25 will be vital confidence support for the bulls. Downside breakout tells us that, well, bears taking control over the market, and it really put under question next upward action on the Bitcoin. It even could mean that we are not going to the 36, we might go into the 12 even. So this is how important this level is. Currently, market just returned back to the neckline, and here we need to keep an eye on possible progress with the hand shoulder shape. If everything will be okay, and it should keep going higher, breaking this level, breaking this support where the market stands right now, and is moving to the OP target. That's what is suggested by this pattern. Here on the 4-day frame chart, we still have the same patterns in place that we are considering. This is target of the hand shoulders, ABCD. It's around 26, and this action might be finalized by this large butterfly with the same destination point. Here's what we talked about the performance. We said that if you will get some pullback here, you could consider taking the short position and a minor retracement. So yesterday was some reaction on the CIP numbers and so on, but market mostly stands in the same area. At this moment, currently, you could see that on the hourly chart, market has completed minor hand and shoulders that has been formed on the top of the right arm. This XOP has been completed yesterday, 26.83, and the pullback is done. So if you would like to take the bet on a short position, you could take the position on some retracement here, somewhere around this area, and controlling that market is keep moving lower, trying to break down the neckline on the daily chart, trying to break this area. It should not show any significant return right back up to the top of the right arm. If this will happen, this will put the hand shoulders under the question. It might be the sign of failure, and that the bulls take the control over the situation earlier than the hand shoulders will be formed. Other words speaking, it means that we will not get any pullback lower, completion of the 25 area, and it means that market is already trying to break the top right now. So that's the conclusion that you could make if market will not break the neckline down. That's why from the bears, it makes no sense to place too far stops, because downward action already is going down, and you could use just fib levels around it to make the stop. For example, you could place stop around above 25 28.50 or somewhere in this level above this previous spike. If you would like to take the short position, you do not need to place it right there. By the reasons that we have just discussed. For the bulls, currently it's nothing to do. You have to wait either when the hand shorts will be completed, and you can consider taking the long position around 25 area, 25 to 26 maybe, or you need to get the clear signs of the failure of the hand shoulders, as I have just described. So in this case you need to wait. If market fails to break the neckline, start moving back to the 29 area, that might be the sign of the failure of the hand shoulders, and here you once again could consider taking the long position. In this case probably we already will have no questions concerning the grabber right there. A minimum target will be above 31. So that's, in 2 words, our trading plan for the cryptocurrency right now.